EAG's IT outsourcing team offers more than just IT service desk support. We provide strategic IT consulting and managed services that set us apart. With highly qualified professionals, including engineers and data architects, we bring years of dynamic experience providing IT solutions to the oil and gas, manufacturing, field services, engineering, CPA, nonprofit, and transportation industries. Our goal is to help clients optimize IT, enhance security, and reduce long-term costs. We specialize in cloud migration, reducing data loss risks, and deploying scalable, flexible solutions. We're experts in key industry applications, from setup and integration to optimization with APIs and workflows. Our vendor rationalization approach has saved clients millions, including one client who saved $6 million annually by reducing their IT footprint by 51%. EAG also works with your vendors to implement solutions for IT challenges, from SCADA and data center migrations to database management and proactive monitoring, ensuring smooth operations and security. As your IT strategic partner, EAG simplifies your IT needs, enhances security, improves accessibility, and reduces costs with a single point of contact.